everybody, this is Tim. We've got some personal boxes for Lizzy. She's doing 2 Archive Sigs, Telcuve edition. She went with left middle and top box on the right. These 2 winners right here. Good luck, Lizzy. She said she bought them because she hates herself. And we've got Mark Mulder out of 10, Chrome Finest. At least a low-numbered Mark Mulder. That is from 2006, Topps Finest. Nice looking autograph. There you go. So 3 out of 10 Mulder, Topps Finest. Alright, let's see what box 2 yields. Even Mike Piazza hates this product. That's better. Carlos Baerga and a 48. Hoping it was low numbered. Mark Mulder and Carlos Baerga are your hits. Even a Cardinal fan. That one actually looks really nice, to be honest, Charles. Some of the other Mulders have been awful. The Chromes, at least, have a little bit of a pizzazz to them. Baerga is 19... Come on, give me the date so I can cheat. 1990 Topps on the Baerga. Actually, 1990 Bowman, sorry, not Topps. 45 out of 48. Carlos Baerga, Lizzy, and Mark Mulder. Andrew, can we get the can you give me one more time the breakdown, the Topps Archives counseling session? Can you give me that breakdown one more time? It may be painful to rehash, but oh my god, that had me laughing for like 2-3 days, dude. At least 2-3 days. Andrew had to go to Topps Archives counseling, and he told us all who the counselors were and the orderlies. The administrators, he went all off on it. It was damn hilarious. Don't do it, Andrew. Don't do it. There's 2 more. He can't, he says. Dude, TV completely shut off out there. Like, right in the middle of the frickin' World Series. You want the 4 originals on screen? Alright, so these 2 out. Get them out of my sight. Alright, hold on.